the Highway 1, stopped in Atlin, and there was a museum there. We checked out a museum. Then we came up to Johnson's Crossing, and just after that, we took the 7 down to Atlin, and we're camped in the lake. We're boondocking at the lake in Atlin right now. So we ended up finding this spot by the river on Overlander, and someone else was already there. So we went a few miles, 30 miles down the road, and we ended up at this lake. Oh my goodness. So some things happen for a reason. I think we're gonna stay here a couple days and relax. We can't get a ferry till later on anyway, and we've got work to do. So we're just camped out here on this little hill, and this is our view for the next couple of days. We've been go every day, so there's not too many people here. There's some fishermen that come in here with their boats, and that's about it. The sunrise is starting there. Beautiful. Spectacular sunset. Of course, it doesn't set till 11:30 at night. There's room for one other small camper over here. But that's about it. Won't be crowded or anything. Jeep is taking a beating. Kind of bummed about that, but we should have got a cover for it. Oh, and then look at these beautiful purple flowers. I've seen them all along the highway. Really pretty. The wildflowers are really nice. Here's a close-up. I gotta get pictures for Aunt Judy on these flowers. She loves flowers. So that's for you, Aunt Judy. And then these are rose bushes too, these pink ones. Too bad I couldn't take them back. Maybe I can find them growing in the States somewhere. They're black gophers. I know, I'm trying to get it. I don't know if you can see it. Little black gopher here. They were out playing this morning over in the trash. I said that they were rare. I can't see too well. Right. Oh, there he is. Sitting on the rock. Right there. I don't know if we can see him or not. I guess these black gophers are rare. Oh, there he is. Right there. There he is. Little black gopher. They make little chirping sounds. Cute, cute, cute. There he is. A little bit of zoom on my camera. I guess they're pretty rare. Oh, he's starting to move. Cute little guy. Chirp, chirp, chirp. He's hiding behind the grass. He's cute. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments below.